Ever wonder about cool facts you haven't heard before? No need to worry. You're in the right place to discover some secrets. Why does the Mona Lisa not have eyebrows, and how did an 11-year-old's creation become part of our daily lives? Get ready for a fascinating journey through surprising twists. Stick around till the end, and let's reveal some secrets that will totally amaze you. Hello everyone, welcome to Freaking Facts. Today, we're going to share some weird, or you can also say fun facts. So hit that subscribe button to stay tuned because we're about to start a journey that has a big surprise. Ready? Let's get started. Number 1. Where is the Mona Lisa eyebrow? Let's start with the Mona Lisa, that famous painting with the mysterious smile. Did you know she originally had eyebrows? Leonardo da Vinci painted them, but over time and through cleaning, those eyebrows disappeared. It's a little puzzle in this well-known artwork, making us ponder how things can change over the years. Number 2. Who came first, lighter or matchbox? Now, let's travel back to the 1800s. Did you know that lighters were invented before matchboxes? In 1823, chemist Johann Wolfgang Döbereiner introduced the first lighter, sparking flames before matches got their organized packaging. It's as if people had a way to light things up before matches even entered the scene. Number 3. Is ketchup a medicine? You won one more interesting thing that happened in the 1800s, a time when ketchup wasn't just for fries, it was medicine. In 1834, people believed ketchup could help with stomach aches. This journey from medicine to a tasty topping shows how everyday items can have surprising stories. Number 4. The tasty invention. Now let's talk about the 11-year-old Frank Epperson in 1905 who left a mix of powdered soda, water and a stick outside overnight, and an ice pop was invented. So, not only is the ice pop tasty, but its story of invention is also very appetizing. Number 5. Who takes the first aeroplane flight? And when we go to 1903, when Orville and Wilbur Wright achieved the impossible, the first airplane flight, Kitty Hawk, North Carolina, became the spot where the skies changed forever. Number 6. Anthem without words. Talking about interesting things, did you know there's a country with a national anthem that doesn't have any words? Spain is that country, and its anthem doesn't have lyrics. This special feature lets the music share the exciting story of Spain's history and culture. Number 7. What if Paris didn't have the Eiffel Tower? Imagine what happened when Paris didn't have the Eiffel Tower. It seems impossible, but it can be. Barcelona's bad luck was that the Barcelona government rejected Gustave Eiffel's plans. But fate led the tower to Paris instead. Close your eyes and imagine how different Barcelona would look with the Eiffel Tower. It's like missing out on a colourful addition to the city. Number 8. Statue of Liberty or Lighthouse. Also, something about the Statue of Liberty, a symbol of freedom that was once a lighthouse. It originally helped ships find their way, and now it stands as a welcoming figure for immigrants. It's like the statue went from guiding ships to welcoming people with open arms. Number 9. Countries without airports. Have you ever thought about countries without airports? It's like, wait, what? Well, check this out. Places like Vatican City, San Marino, Monaco, Liechtenstein, and Andorra manage just fine without one. Imagine having a country but no airport vibes. How do they do family gatherings or work events without a nearby airport? Number 10. The world's biggest dollar bill. Did you know that the biggest bill used to be much more than $100? In 1934, they made a massive $100,000 bill with Woodrow Wilson's face on it. But here's the twist. Those bills were only for banks, not regular people like us. Just imagine having one of those in your wallet. Number 11. Supermarket apples can be a year old. These weird facts might have you changing the way you eat. Those fresh apples aren't all that fresh per se. They're usually picked between August and November, covered in wax, hot air dried, and sent into cold storage. After 6 to 12 months, they finally land on your grocery store shelves. Number 12. Which was the last letter in alphabets? Did you ever think that the letter Z is the newest in our alphabet just because it's at the end? Well, turns out that's not true. The real new kid on the block is J. Imagine what happened when the alphabet we use today wasn't made in the usual order of A to Z. Number 13. The unique way of cleaning. Now, think back to a time when there was no toilet paper. Americans used corn husks for hygiene. It's a bit strange to imagine, but it shows how people found clever ways to stay clean in the past. While it may seem amusing, let's not laugh too much because, believe it or not, laughter can be so intense that it leads to death. Number 14. Is black teeth a fashion? And speaking about your teeth, back in the 16th century, having black teeth was considered fashionable. It's a reminder that beauty standards change over time, and what was once stylish might seem strange to us now. Unlike other parts, our teeth can't fix themselves. This emphasizes the importance of taking care of our teeth to keep our smiles healthy. Interestingly, Number 15. The tie trap. In the world of fashion, wearing a tie might look good, but it can reduce blood flow to the brain by 7%. This unexpected fact makes you think twice about putting on a tight tie. Number 16. Animal with 3 hearts. You know that there is one animal who has the best backup plan? It's the octopus. Unlike us humans with just 1 heart, octopuses have 3. 2 of their hearts send blood to their gills, and the third one pumps blood to the rest of their body. What's interesting is that when an octopus swims, the heart that usually delivers blood to the body takes a break and stops beating. That's why they prefer crawling instead of swimming. Number 17. Long-lasting sleep. Snails require moisture to survive. So if there is extreme weather, they can sleep up to 3 years. Number 18. Lifelong honey. Now, let's sweeten things up with honey, the timeless sweetener that never spoils. This fact shows how amazing nature is, giving us something that lasts through time. It's like having a taste of history in every spoonful. Number 19. Seasonal nail secrets. Taking care of your nails? Here's a fun fact. They grow faster in the summer. It's like your body's way of keeping in tune with the changing seasons. Number 20. Brain's self-maintenance mode. Lastly, let's talk about your brain. Did you know it's always eating itself? Strange, right? But it's a way for your brain to stay efficient and functional throughout your life. It's like your brain's unique way of keeping itself in tip-top shape. So, that's all we have for this video. But there's a lot of interesting facts that are ready to be revealed. If you want to know more, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. Stay tuned for our new freaking facts. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.